In this video, you'll learn how to use the Binance Convert feature effectively. By the end of this guide, you will be able to exchange cryptocurrencies quickly and efficiently using this tool. Begin by navigating to the Binance platform, either through the app or the website. Sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Convert feature by searching for it directly or by finding it within the trade section of the main menu. Before proceeding, ensure you have a balance in the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. If the funds are not in the correct wallet, you may need to transfer them. It is important to confirm you are in the right account mode, such as the spot wallet, as certain funds can be separated based on wallet types. This initial step is crucial to avoid any confusion during the conversion process. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange from the available options. For instance, you might choose USDT, BTC, or BNB as your from coin. Then select the two coin you wish to receive, which could be ETH or another cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you want to convert either manually or by tapping the max button to use your entire available balance. Take a moment to carefully review the quoted rate displayed on the screen, as it can fluctuate rapidly during periods of market volatility. Be aware of any minimum or maximum limits indicated, as exceeding these may result in a failed conversion. If your quote expires while you are reviewing, refresh the page to obtain a new rate. After entering your desired amount, proceed by clicking on Preview or Convert to review the final details of your transaction. It is essential to confirm your conversion quickly, as the quoted rate is time sensitive and may change within seconds. Once the conversion is executed, navigate to your wallet to verify that your balance for the received cryptocurrency has increased to currency. You may also check the conversion record or transaction history to confirm the rate at which the conversion was executed and the time it took place. If you are aiming for a specific price, keep in mind that the convert feature may not align perfectly with a limit order, especially in fast-moving markets. If you are tracking your performance or need to report for tax purposes, consider keeping a screenshot or a note of the conversion details. This documentation can be helpful in ensuring accuracy when reviewing your transactions. By following these steps, you will confirm that your swap has been completed correctly and is properly recorded in your account. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.